Welcome to Believe Industry Company. Today, we are proud to introduce our state-of-the-art laser welding electrical enclosure column roll forming machine, the ultimate high-precision manufacturing solution for high-end industrial cabinets. High precision begins with careful material preparation. The production line kicks off with a heavy-duty uncoiler and leveler to completely remove coil set. Next, a high-speed servo feeder precisely indexes the sheet into our high-tonnage punch press. Here, all essential structural holes and mounting patterns are punched simultaneously onto the flat strip with perfect dimensional tolerance before the material ever enters the roll former. Total system control is centralized right at the operator's fingertips. The line integrates smart dual touchscreen interfaces for rapid setup. The servo feeder HMI allows for effortless adjustment of material indexing and hole spacing, while the specialized laser welding touchscreen provides precise control over laser power, frequency, and welding speeds, ensuring optimal parameters for any material thickness. Watch the core innovation of this line, the continuous laser welding process. As the roll former finishes folding the complex electrical enclosure profile, an integrated fiber laser welder immediately seals the seam. Laser welding delivers localized heat, resulting in ultra-deep penetration, minimal thermal distortion, and a smooth airtight joint that requires zero post-weld grinding. To maintain continuous flow, a high-speed flying saw tracks the line velocity C. Quality assurance is paramount for industrial enclosures. Taking a look at the finished column profile, you can appreciate the flawless consistency of the laser weld line. The profile exhibits exceptional straightness and zero twisting. All mounting holes and internal dimensions align perfectly to strict international standards, ensuring quick, seamless assembly of the final electrical cabinets and maximum load-bearing capacity. Upgrade your enclosure production today with Believe Industry Company. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.